kidding me? I am exhausted.
The
School is
National Weather
exhausting.
Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from New Point Comfort to Little Creek, Virginia. Entrance to the Chesapeake Bay, including the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel, James River from the James River Bridge to the Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:37 p.m., strong thunderstorm was located over Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near Bluefish Rock and Potosin around 5:55 p.m. Fourth Island Bay Bridge around 6 p.m. The Hump around 6:10 p.m. Latimer Shoal around 6:15 p.m. Cabbage Patch and Kissimmee Concrete Chips around 6:20 p.m. Bowie 36 and Plantation Light around 6:25 p.m. Cape Charles Harbor around 6:30 p.m. Move to Safe Harbor until hazardous weather passes. Boaters should seek Safe Harbor immediately until the storm passes. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with this storm. For the following areas,